Are you looking for the best drone under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic C0 Single-Axis GPS Drone. The built-in PicSync 2.0 enables the Atom SE to transmit up to 4 km, giving you a wider view of this world. The 12MP camera delivers impressive image and video quality, accompanied by 4K per 30 frames per second video and shake vanish technology for more stable and smooth aerial shots. Weighing less than 249 g/0.55 lbs, the Atom SE drone is about the same as a smartphone and fits in your pocket. And in the United States and Canada, you can fly the Atom SE camera drones without registration. Atom SE can withstand scale 5 winds, so your footage is stable even when flying in windy conditions. Simply connect to the Potensic Pro app with your phone, press the circle flight button in the app and set the radius and the drone will fly a circle around the target. To use the waypoint feature, just set the route on the map and the drone will fly along the location you set. When the signal is lost, the battery is low or the auto-return button is pressed, the Atom SE drone will automatically return to the takeoff position, without worrying about losing the drone. Just enjoy the flight. Number 2. AE3 Pro Max GPS Drone. Special appearance design makes your drone more eye-catching. Excellent camera capability, with a high-resolution camera, stable picture and sensors adapted to different light conditions. This ensures high-quality, clear aerial images. With good flight stability, it can fly stably under different environmental conditions, and has a certain wind-proof ability to ensure a smooth shooting picture. With flexible remote control capabilities, including reliable remote control connection, simple control, and a variety of flight mode options to meet different shooting needs. Perfect for your boyfriend, father, children, or good friends who love to document their lives. Lightweight, portable and free-flying, at less than 243 grams, it weighs about an orange and fits in the palm of your hand. Small and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion and changes the way you capture great memories. AE3 supports high-definition video and picture transmission up to 3 kilometers and has excellent anti-interference ability, allowing you to fly farther and see more clearly. Number 3. Lenovo GPS SX1 Drone. Equipped with 3-axis gimbal and EIS electronic image stabilization technology, effectively offsetting flight jitter, making aerial footage as smooth as silk and capturing every wonderful moment. 5G dual antenna digital image transmission, with both return distance and flight distance up to 5,000 meters. HD images are synchronized in real time, making distant scenery within reach. 7.4V 1600 mAh large capacity battery, single flight time up to 30 minutes, enjoy the fun of flight to the fullest without frequent charging. The body weight is only 237 g, avoiding the certification and registration requirements for drones over 250 g in most countries, making it more convenient to carry and fly more freely. No need to rely on mobile phones, the remote control is equipped with a 4.5-inch high-resolution display to view aerial footage in real time, making operation more intuitive and stable. GPS precise positioning, supporting 1-key return, no signal return, and low battery return, ensuring safer flight.